Take a real dirty engine into something that looks real nice, real quick, with a high pressure steamer. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Super excited today. I have been procrastinating cleaning up this CB160 motor, and I tell you what, I think I might have found a fast track by using a pretty cheap little steam cleaner. Let's get right into the video today. I want to show you how this thing works, because I'm telling you what, it's sparked a little bit of inspiration in me. What I've found to work really, really well is this steam cleaner. This thing is awesome. It's got about a half-gallon capacity, a really long power cord, and a really long wand. The really nice thing about this is that it heats up really, really quick. It goes up to about 230 degrees Fahrenheit of grease cutting steam. I have absolutely been dreading cleaning this motor. I bought cans of gunk engine degreaser, gasket removal, super clean. I got picks and toothbrushes and Scotch pads. It's always such an arduous process. But I tell you what, ever since I started using this thing, I feel like I am making progress again. And this is a game changer. This might be one of the biggest game changers I've ever discovered on the channel. And here is what I picked up, all right? It's a handheld steam cleaner, 230 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's got high pressure. And I'm telling you, this thing is blowing grease right off this thing. Nice 13-foot cord. The wand is actually super long on it as well. Holds about a half a gallon of water, but man, it's got steam pressure, and it is making really, really fast work. There's gonna be a link in the description if you wanna pick one of these up and support the channel. I am really in like with this right now. And let me tell you, I think in the long run, especially for me, because I'm working on multiple bikes and multiple projects all the time, this thing is gonna save me a lot of money because, you know, to clean a motor, you're probably gonna go through 3 to 6 cans of gunk engine cleaner, and you are going to go through so much time. So you're gonna spend 30 to 50 bucks on the cleaner, and you are going to spend hours upon hours upon hours working on that motorcycle engine, all right? This thing is getting me fired up, and it's actually kind of motivating me today because I'm finally seeing some progress. Now, before you just kind of dive in and start working on this thing, make sure you go in and plug up all of your entry and exit points on the motor. We don't want this thing filling up with water, so make sure to get your exhaust ports, your carburetor imports, and then what else? Oh, your spark plug holes. So here you can see a nice greasy area. Let's just crank this thing up. We're at 230 degrees Fahrenheit. You give it just a few seconds, and this thing's gonna start spurting, and then it's gonna turn to straight up steam. And look at this. It's just gonna start melting away all this old, used up, dried up, crusty grease. And the nice thing about this brass brush is that it kind of contours to a lot of these different little areas that we've got. And what's great is you can start working a section. I'm not putting a ton of pressure on this either, keeping things pretty mild. But there we go, just like that. You can turn your gun off. And then while it's still warm, come in here with a little rag and just give that a wipey wipe, and you are making some serious, serious progress and saving yourself, man, so much time. Here's another real typical thing that we have to clean up on these motors, and I'm telling you, this stuff is not easy. But with this thing, again, instant steam. We can get right in on this fin, give her some scrubs. And what was that? 5 seconds later, and you've already come that far on that piece. So like specifically on this bike as well, I've got a cloud silver painted cover, right? I assumed that I was gonna have to repaint all of these, but look at this. Let's get the steam cleaner action going here. All these stubborn stains are just melting away. And literally, there's no time lapse here. I am literally just using the tool live on camera right now. Just like this. Just hit this little section. You know what? And I dare to say that after I wipe this down, I'm probably not going to have to repaint these covers. Now let's really give it a test. We're on the underside of the motor. And this is a lot of dirt, a lot of grease, and again, a lot of nooks and crannies that you need to navigate. And right now, I'm just kind of hitting this lightly with the brass brush attachment on the steam cleaner. No time lapse. This is all real time. Let's stop. Let's turn our gun off. And let's just give this a quick wipe. We'll let the steam kind of dissipate. And look at that. Already much better. The other thing I'm really curious about is how is this going to do on engine fins? Well, let me tell you, a little steam power is going to save you a lot of time and effort again in this really annoying part of cleaning a motor. So engine fins, this job is going to be way, way, way easier. And another nice thing about this is that the steam superheats it, and it almost makes it perfect for you to go on in with a Scotch pad, and all of that stuff in the middle is all nice and loose, and you can get these really nice and clean a heck of a lot quicker than I've ever done before. And dare I say, this is actually kind of fun to do because you're making so much progress so fast. I'm just blown away by how well it just gets rid of all of this grease. And I'm especially happy with how nice these side covers are looking once you get all the dirt and grit off. So there you go. I'm going to keep working on this throughout the day because I got a little bit of motivation. Go ahead and get yourself one of these steam cleaners. The hotter the better. This is 230 degrees. And I think the key thing is that it is high pressure. The pressure makes all of the difference. If you want to check it out, go hit up the description. There'll be links in the description. Go check all that out. I'm going to go get back to work. I'm feeling fired up today. Thanks so much for watching and keep on wrenching, friends.